Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some cottage style kitchen decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Cottage style kitchen decoration is a warm, cozy and inviting way of designing a kitchen that reflects charm, comfort and a touch of vintage nostalgia. It often feels like a welcoming countryside retreat rather than a modern, sleek cooking space. Here are the main elements of cottage style kitchen decoration. Key features: natural materials, wood, stone, and brick are often used for cabinets, floors, or countertops to create a rustic and homely feel. Open shelving. Instead of only closed cabinets, open shelves display dishes, glassware, or vintage crockery. Light and airy colors. Soft shades like cream, white, belly blue, sage green, or pastel yellow are common. They make the kitchen feel bright and cheerful. Vintage or farmhouse touches, apron front sinks, antique hardware, and classic range cookers add a nostalgic feel. Textiles and patterns, gingham, floral, lace, or crochet curtains, tablecloths, and seat cushions give a cozy charm. Mix and match style. A cottage kitchen doesn't have to match perfectly. Mixing old and new pieces gives it character. Cozy lighting, warm pendant lamps, lantern style lights, or candlelights enhance the inviting look. Cottage kitchen decoration tips. Choose soft, light colors. Paint walls in creamy white, pale blue, sage green, or pastel yellow. Use distressed or chalk paint cabinets for a rustic charm. Add open shelves. Replace some upper cabinets with wooden shelves. Display vintage plates, mason jars, enamelware, or copper pots. Use cottage style textiles. Add gingham, floral, lace, or crochet curtains for windows. Use fabric seat cushions, tablecloths, or runners with soft patterns. Incorporate vintage elements. Use antique knobs, handles, or faux chest. Consider a farmhouse sink or a vintage style stove. Bring in natural materials, wooden butcher block counters, wicker baskets, and stone floors create warmth. Use oven trays or rattan organizers for storage. Decorate with plants and herbs. Keep potted herbs, basil, rosemary, mint on the windowsill. Add small indoor plants or hanging ivy for a fresh feel. Lighting for a cozy glow. Use soft pendant lights, lantern style fixtures, or candeliers. Warm toned bulbs create a welcoming cottage atmosphere. Mix and match furniture. Use a wooden farmhouse table with mismatched chairs. Combine painted furniture with natural wood pieces. Accessories with personality. Hang decorative plates or farm botanical prints on walls. Use glass jars for flour, sugar, and spices. Add a crochet pot holder, tea cozy, or handmade wall hanging for a personal touch. Keep it cozy, not cluttered. Display some favorite items but avoid overcrowding. A balance of functional and decorative pieces keeps it charming. Extra cottage kitchen ideas. Play with bedboard or paneling. Add bedboard to walls, the backsplash, or even cabinet doors. Paint it white or pastel for that classic cottage charm. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.